हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू बोर्ड प्रेप। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेरी फाइन. So today in this video I'll explain you the process of subscribing to our courses. In the last video I explained you how you will sign up. Now we'll log in using that sign up ID that we created. We'll click on the login button on the right hand corner. We have created the ID boat.prep01 at gmail.com. We'll enter the ID, we'll enter the password then, and we'll log in. After logging in, you will see the My Subscription tab on the right hand side. You can click on it. You will find all the courses that are available here. You can choose whichever course you want to subscribe. Suppose you want to subscribe for the class 10th test series. Click on subscribe here. This will open all the information regarding class 10 test series. These are the features and the subjects available. And here you will get a subscribe button. If you want to subscribe for the test series, click on it. This will open a payments page where the amount has been pre-entered here. You need to enter your valid phone number here, which you used while registering, and click next. This will open a link and a QR code. You can pay using that link and the QR code, and then you will be successfully subscribed to the test series. So that's all for now. In the next video, I'll explain you the process after subscribing and how you can upload the test copies. So thank you.